Okay, in this tutorial, I'll guide you how to remove the background of any image in Illustrator. So first of all, you bring your image or a picture in your portrait on your front board. So first you click on File and then Place, and on the place you can search it out any sort of image that is being existing on your folder in your folder. So I will take it, this one. Okay, this one, this picture. And now I want to remove the background of this image. What I will do, first I will create new layer from here. So it has created layer 2. Okay, and now I will lock it, the first one. Then I'll go to pen to sorry then I'll go to stroke, and I will lock this one, and then again I will lock this layer also, right? When I have locked it, then I will go on the pen tool, and the pen tool I will try to click from here, 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 here. Now I have almost selected whole picture. Now I will go on this picture and click on here, and then I will go on select all, and after this select I will go on the object, and I will go on the clip mask and make. Okay, you can see I have removed the background of this picture. Now I can now place another picture and place anywhere. So I will go on the place, then I'll bring one of the picture here, and I portray this picture on your wall. Then I'll right click on this image, and then go to arrange, send to back. Okay, I have taken this picture out of it, and I have selected. So I will bring the original picture with background. I have removed it. So I will show you here. This was the picture, and now this was the picture. Both of the pictures have different background. This background is different, and this background is different. This was the picture. This was the picture before background, and it is after. Okay, if you find my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.